Now we've learned where a search engine looks for keywords on your site. To recap, in the domain, URL, title, headings, alt tags. But it also looks for the keyword in your content. Now, what is content? So if you're writing an article, all the text is content. If it's a product, its description, etc. is the content. Basically, all the plain text on your website is your content. Now, search engines do look at your content, and especially the keywords you've used in your content. It also looks at how many times you've used that keyword. So if your site's about pizza, it'll look at how many times the keyword pizza is used on your website. If you use the keyword pizza only once in your content, the search engine will think that the site is not related to pizza. Maybe the site is giving an example to pizza, that's why it's only mentioned once. Though if you have the word pizza throughout the content, the search engine will say, yes, this site is related to pizza. Another important point here is that the search engines do not only look for the keywords, but its synonyms. So if my site is about shoes, I'll use the words such as slippers, sneakers, tennis shoes, etc. throughout the content. This also helps your content look professional and doesn't make it feel like you're repeating one keyword over and over again. Let's have a look at keyword stuffing. Now, if you're thinking, hey, I'll just use my keyword in my article as much as I can and I'll rank better. For example, I like shoes. I wear shoes. I want flippers and shoes should look like they are new shoes and I want shoes. Now, this one line has more keywords than most of the articles do, but the people reading your article will hate it and think some 12-year-old wrote it who only knows the word shoes, and importantly, search engines will mark your website as spammy and unreliable. So don't do this. Just let these keywords flow in naturally. You'll rank better. If you have 10 small articles about the same topic, make it one big article. It will rank better and easily. So to recap, use keywords in titles, headings, alt tags, and let them naturally flow in your content. That's the most decent content optimization